Welcome back to my shed, and in this video I'm going to be building some tea light holders. This is part of my new series of videos to see if I can stay within the green by Christmas, and I'm logging all the timings and everything. So if you haven't watched the first video, which was making Christmas presents outside reclaimed wood, the video will be up the top there. There's also an introduction video on everything I'm doing. I'm including the costs and everything. So for this project I've had to buy what I already own, but it's in the figures, a 40mm Bosch drill bit, so it'll hold the tea lights. And I've got this solid bit of pretty heavy pallet wood. It was one of the runners off one of the big pallets I used to get when I was building the shed. I've worked out that I can make, if I cut out the screw holes that are in this pallet, I can make 6, possibly a few more if I include the screw holes. But I didn't really want to include them in this build. But I think making 6 should be good enough. And I'll get the timer going, and we'll see what these come out like. These will hold 2 tea lights, these candles, and on the side of it we'll have someone's name written on it, or just mum, or some other customization that the end customer I might have so they can customize it. That bit will be done probably on a cry cut, just because it's quick and speed things up. But you can obviously buy a template or hand paint it on or do whatever, but the cry cut won't be put into the costings. I will crack on and hopefully see how this turns out. I'm going to start off by giving this a quick sand, just because it's pretty rough. I'm trying to show that what you can make on a budget worth of tools. So all these cuts will be done on the circular saw. I won't be using the bandsaw like I did in the last one. Hopefully I'll be able to sell these at the end of it and stay in the green. So let's get started and roll the intro. you think of this build? I think these tea lights came out pretty good. I like the customization with, you know, you can have anything written on the side of them. So I have got some blank ones that I will also be putting something on them at some point, but want to kind of leave them as the customer can maybe choose. So I've got a couple of ideas for ones I've come up with, but maybe the customer would want someone else's name, like I said earlier, or something like that. So I will look at doing that for the other 3 at some point. But yeah, I think the outcome looks good. It's amazing what you can make from a runner from a pallet. Hopefully we can stay in the black and actually make some profit, and I'm not just stuck with a load of tea light holders. Stay tuned, the figures will come up on screen now. This project took 3 hours and 20 minutes to make. That means 33 minutes per one, hourly rate of £21.60, and I'm looking to sell each one for £12 each. That gives us a total of £72 if I sell them all. At the beginning of this episode we had £62.72 in the pot. After spending everything we needed, it leaves £26.16 in the pot. If I sell all of these, that's £72 profit, and that means in the pot will be £98.16. Currently our inventory is Christmas presents, £60 worth, and £72 worth of tea lights, which gives you a grand total of £132. I hope you like the outcome of these tea light holders. This video took a bit longer to get out than I hoped, but I hope you see you on the next one, and thank you for watching.